today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your PUR water filter and how to unstick your sticking reset button. So first thing you do is unscrew the cap, and your filter and your cap will come off as such. And then if you can see here at the end of the knife, this is your reset button. So when this is pushed all the way in, the counter is working. So normally what should happen is that when you take the filter out, this little button should pop out. So occasionally mine does not want to pop out voluntarily, so you have to force it. And as you can see now that it's popped out. So now you can install your new filter, and your little filter condition counter will be reset. So all you gotta do is put the filter back in, put your cap back on, and go ahead and turn your filter on and let it run for about 2 minutes, and your counter will be flashing green until the next time it needs to be changed. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.